Sounds of the aircraft. You do see the thread-waisted wasp feeding the larvae. They're chewing the bugs and the caterpillars on the homestead, affecting the food crops or attacking the food crops. So they're mixing their saliva with their saliva, chewing up the bugs, mashing them up for the larvae. You can see the larvae chewing on the bugs. In so doing, they act as the farmer's ally on the homestead, so we do get food. It's a way of reducing on pesticides, if any. You do hear the faint sound of the crested crane. Bloop, 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 bloop. Sounds of the ibis and the different bird species on the homestead. You do see the pheromone pumping, signaling danger in the nest, decoding the messages in the nest. And there's research going on with their saliva to coat the drones. Beautiful sounds of the rooster chicken crow. And their hexagonal structures. Architects are interested in those structures, spacious. They do accommodate the larvae from egg stage to the adult stage. Beautiful scene.